Good morning, grade 10, and we welcome you, I welcome you again in the first lesson. The lesson heading is a letter to God. Here in this lesson, the story is completely on the basis of farmer. What the farmer, you know what is the work of farmer, and in our first video, you came to know what is the work of farmer, especially here what is the work of Lencho, and he completely depending over the farming, and his farming is completely depending over nature. And we are going to resume. But in the heart of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Now you came to know all the crops what he saw had vanished, completely destroyed. It had been destructed. Now what is happening? He had only hope that, as he is telling, but in the heart of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Now you can think he has some positive things, and he is mentioning that solitary is all about alone. One who is alone can expect about the God. That means, in simply you can understand, one who has no one has God. Don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies hunger. The father himself, Lencho himself, telling to his son and wife that remember, no one dies hunger. Although the night Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eye has, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Conscience is all about the inner thinking. Here, what is happening all night? He was completely thinking about what will happen, and he already mentioned that and told to his family members, no one die hunger. That means be optimistic. Everything that is happening happens for good. So we will get the facilities, we will get the ambience, we will run our family beautifully, as he is mentioning. Although the night Lencho thought only his one hope, the help of God, which had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in the one's concern. Lencho was an ox of man, walking like an animal in the field, but still he knew how to ride. He was a farmer, and first you have to know an ox of man. That means a hard working man. Especially animals, they always work hard, and if a person is working like an animal, the person is completely diligent. Here what is happening? He was a farmer, completely engaged in field for farming, and besides he was knowing how to write. That means he was a literate person, educated person, maybe. The following Sunday, at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town, the place in the mail. What happened? Following Sunday, the Sunday had come. On that occasion, what happened? He had gone to the town, nearby his town, and from where, actually, when he started his traveling at daybreak. Daybreak is all about the starting of morning, sunrise. You can also consider. He had gone to the post office, and purpose was to write a letter, and later he wanted to write for God. Why? You will understand further. The following Sunday at the daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. Why he had gone there? He had gone there for writing letter, and he wanted to write a letter to God, and he will describe everything, all the laws, and he will calculate all the expenditure will come in an year and mention everything. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. He has written there, if you will not help me, then we will go hungry. We will remain hungry. We have no any means of food, no any other support we have. So I have, and we have only support, that is you. Without you, we are nothing. We don't have other means of our other source, so that we can run, we can sustain. Now what is happening? I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm ... Hailstorm, that means hailstorm. He mentioned everything. We are knowing hailstorm has come. It completely destroyed the field. Yes. So at first what happened? He calculated everything. What the expenditure will come in an year, and he also mentioned about his tilling. Tilling is all about farming. With the next year will fall. In the next year, he will sow the seed. After that, the crops will grow till the crops get reaped. Till the time he calculated everything, and he came to know he needs 100 pesos expenditure, and he is mentioning here. The students, we are going to know about the pesos. Pesos is currency of Latin America. Latin American country. In such countries, some countries fall like Colombia, Mexico, Cuba. They are the country fall in which currency could be rated by peso. Here we are going further. He wrote to the God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still the troubled went to town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. What happened? He had completed his job. He had taken the post. After that, he had writing. After that, he put it in the envelope. Envelope is all about the covering from the outside. And after that, from that, he is writing the address to God. Actually, when you are writing the letter, you are mentioning the address where you are sending to. There, at the last point at the bottom or at the front point, he is writing to God. He had not mentioned about address. If you do not mention address, then how your letter will get destination? He only mentioned to God. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss, laughing heartily, and showed him the letter to God. The Lencho, put the letter in mailbox, a box where people posting the letters, and after that, postman collecting the letter and seeing the directions of the destination, they start dispatching. Here what happens, when the employee collected the letters, when he saw the address to the God, he became very, very funny, and he started laughing. And he didn't stop himself till the time. He went to his master and showing him. Now what is happening? And he said, look at here, a person is writing letter to the God as he has addressed. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. The postmaster had amiable. Amiable means gentle. Fellow also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter." First, what happened? When postman went to the postmaster, he himself became funny at first. After that, first actually he was a fat man and he was a gentleman. He had compassion for the others. First he started laughing. After that, what happened? Immediately he became serious. He thought, first he exclaimed that what a faith the person had. If I had a faith like him, then I can definitely do more and more. If you have the faith, actually our story, starting time, our story tells faith can unshake the mountain. It can shake the mountain. Here, what he is telling, I wish I had the faith of the man. He wrote this letter, starting up a correspondence with God. Correspondence here is not the. Here, correspondence stands for the connecting or contacting. Connecting, you can also consider contacting. You can also consider communicating. You can also consider. Here, the postmaster is telling, look at the condition of his faith. He wanted to make contact to the God. So, in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answered the letter. He came to know the person had deep thought regarding God. And if he will not get his demand, then what will happen? His faith will go breaking. So he doesn't, that is here the postmaster doesn't want to break his faith. It means he is going to arrange something for the person. What he is telling? But when he opened, it was evident that to answer it needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. At first, postmaster thought whatever he had demanded, I will write everything. But when he opened, he thought it doesn't need only goodwill, that means good wishes I shall write, and I need pen and paper for writing. Not only such things I need a part of this something more. That is all about, he mentioned about 100 pesos. And postmaster is understanding the letter can't reach to the God. And if he will not get response, then his faith will go breaking. And the postmaster doesn't want to break the faith of the person with the God. Now what is happening? But he stuck his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his would give something for an act of charity. It was expenditure of 1 year. So amount could be bigger. This is all about the 100 pesos, and here as per the Mexican pesos, 1 peso stands for 3 rupees, just in current time around 3 rupees, and here on that time that means 300 rupees, and figure could be bigger. And because right now we are not thinking the money rates more, but on that time its value was on the crest. Here what is happening? First, he had also given the part of his salary. He had taken the support from all the employees. A part of he had also taken the help from all his friends, most of his friends. And what is happening? It was impossible for him to gather the 100 pesos. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. Half would be 50, and more than half. Here for the kind of information I am telling, they became success to collect 70 pesos. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho and paid and with a letter containing only a signature word as signature word. After that, what happened? He mentioned everything and he put the pesos inside, and after that he is writing a signature that he got. Because if he will write anything more, give the detail of the God, then he will try to correspondence with the God, try to talk, try to make his communication with the God. So he doesn't wish to write more, only he had write a word that is all about the God like his signature. So dear students, today it is enough, and rest part we will discuss in our next video. Thank you very much, and if you will face any problem, you have need to contact and try to understand everything. You are the senior most student of SNPS. I am expecting everything will go whatever you wish, that everything will favor you. Thank you.